Okay, so I'm gonna take the moon. I'm on a rooftop, and ooh, bright light. If I can get steady. All right, there we go. Okay.
In also the room, details for whatever reason might be passing to third party.
Wow, that is a white moon.
Good at accent.
Getting some good shots.
It looks totally white up close.
Zooming in.
Yes. Oops.
Corey's man. Pleasure. I thought it'd be someone not really.
This light.
Yeah, the light is in the way, but
Oh wow, that's a great moon.
Jamie gone.
It's a massive operation, right?
Huge. So Anson and I were talking about what you guys gotta do after you assign everything. You gotta have contingency plan in case something messes up, and then you guys gotta be flexible enough that something messes up, you roll with it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not panicking. We've done the best we could. That's a lot. It's a lot.
You think Andy would panic? One
No,
thing on that schedule goes off.
No, we double check on the names. It's a lot. Our biggest concern was a typhoon. Typhoon 8 and above, everything shuts down. So last Monday was a typhoon 10. So luckily that's nice weather. That's the only concern outdoors. But we had a contingency plan for that. They saved Sunday for us. If it's typhoon 3, it's still go on.
that is amazing.
Typhoon 3 to 8.
That
Around
moon
the moon, you would go to Sunday instead of Saturday.
is like a perfect circle, and then this huge halo around it. I think it's the camera. It doesn't look like that in real life. Go again.
Is that weekend in Manchester? And it was gorgeous.
She had it down to
That is cool. Oh my gosh. The moon does not look like that in real life when I look at it, but through the camera, that is amazing. We'll just have to see what it looks like when I look at it when it's uploaded. It's pulsating. Maybe my camera makes things pulsate.
You make one small mistake, all hell breaks loose. And you're to blame.
Oh my gosh, it's like a heartbeat.
John walk away.
So I'm just holding it, so it's getting a bit tiring. But I have to say it's pretty mesmerizing. It's a beautiful night. Super hot in Hong Kong and humid. Thanks for watching. God bless everyone. Have a beautiful rest of 2012.
Yeah, that's
Okay. Not using a tripod, so have to go. Thanks for watching.
We do this shit.